everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have another contact lens review from Olens, and these are their Secriss collection in the color natural green. So this one is the volume 2 version. So they have two different volume 1, volume 2. Both collection have released both brown and grey, and I've done in-depth reviews for them as well if you guys would like to check that out first before watching this particular video. But for the volume 2, they've decided to add an additional color, which is natural green. If you guys have watched me for a long time, you guys would know that I love my grey contact lens. But actually, my second favorite color for contact lenses is actually green. Somehow, I really like the green on my dark eye. It just makes my eyes look much more unique, I guess. But yeah, so I was really excited when they released this because it's been a while since I've last tried or reviewed a green contact lenses. But this one, the contact lens comes in one box, 10 pieces, so obviously 5 usage for a pair of contact lenses. One box actually costs $21 and these are only 1-day contact lenses, which means that it's a daily disposable lenses. Now for me, my preference is always 1-day contact lenses, so I didn't mind this. But I do really wish that they release like I think the 20 pieces one, which I always go for. For the diameter for this one, the overall diameter is 14.0mm, but the graphic diameter is 13.1mm, so it is leaning towards the enlarging side. However, this is not as big as the Symphony Green, which is Lisa's contact lens. Now the Symphony Green is actually 13.5mm, which means it's actually bigger than the Secriss Green if you guys would like a comparison. And also with the Symphony Green, it leans much more towards the lighter version and much more of a light green grey undertone contact lens compared to this one. I am actually currently wearing the Secriss green one, and you can see it looks pretty natural on me and doesn't look too bright or too light. It's just beautiful, and like close up, which you guys will see soon, looks amazing. Now in regards of this, again, there's not much change compared to this one with the volume 2 brown and grey. It has like a 3-tone color to it as well, and I just love it so much. I don't know how much I can tell you guys. I love this particular color so much. Like, I love it so much that I probably prefer this over my grey Secriss lens. That's how much I love this green color, guys. When I first put this on, straight away I remembered using a similar pattern back in the days where circle lenses was very trendy, or maybe it's still trendy now, but I stopped using those because they weren't that good for my eyes. So I'll put like a picture here for you guys to have a look. But this is the Geo 3 color, green color, and when I first put the Secriss color, I was like, oh my god, like it looks so much like it. But obviously I prefer the Olens one because it's much more safer, much more comfortable, much more smaller. And yeah, so I was really happy when I was like, oh, I can finally wear something that I remember wearing a long time ago, but I love it so much, I miss it so much, and now I have it again, but different brand and better for your eyes. Color again is very 3 color, and first you have that little very thin brown rim on the outer part of your eye, and as you go in, it leans much more, it looks much more wispier. So you have like in that wispiness, you have a combination of dark black slash brown with like dark green and light green, and right in the middle of it you have like a light golden that blends in really well into your pupil. So I find this is so unique, and it just, the whole combination just blends so well to make such beautiful eye color on the eyes. Like, I honestly, like when it comes to this contact lens, I appreciate my dark eye because somehow I like the effect that it shows when I actually apply this contact lens, because I like the turnout of it. Like, I like that it's not too light of a green. I like that it's a beautiful dark green color. Like, that's all I can say about this. But honestly, like, I would highly recommend you guys who haven't tried green color contact lenses or is looking for a green contact lens, this would be the contact lens for you. Like, that is how beautiful this contact lens is. Even if you don't like the enlarging effect on your eyes, I still would recommend this for you, because once you put this on, complete change on your eyes, and you will just fall in love with this particular eye color. Like, that's all I can say. I love this color so much, guys, so much. So that's it for my review. This is only solely reviewing one color in this collection. So if you guys haven't checked out the other colors in the Secriss collection, definitely check it out as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I do have the apple ring and hanabi review for you guys soon as well. And let me know down below what else you guys want me to review next, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!